All right, everybody. Hello, this is Jack Feldman's son, Jeff, and I'm trying to help with this QR code. I thought I was being smart by putting a QR code on the back of the card to make it easier for everybody to get to. And with these new fancy cell phones, it's an embedded code inside that square box. So I have a code there on the same business card that we've had before. And we're going to take our cell phone and activate our camera. And the camera will come up, and now you see that white box that just popped up. I touch that box, and it takes me directly to Dad's site. And here, we'll get a pop-up asking to join our club. You can ignore that. Matter of fact, I just talked to Dad, and it pops up so often, I'm just going to get rid of that. So hopefully by the time you actually get on the website, that option will be gone and you won't have to worry about it. These three little lines here in the corner, not the three dots, but the three lines, those are the pages. So if you touch that, we have 4 pages on the website. So each one of them, if you touch the blog, now the blog will come up, and that pop-up's going to come up. I'm waiting for it. Okay, now I'm going to say no thanks. And then as I scroll, all the different posts of Dad that I've done are on his blog. And there's a whole bunch for the last 5 years or so. So I hope this is one of his collectible textables. Anyway, I hope that helps. So that's one. I'll go out of here. Another one is if somebody sent you, if Dad just sent you the code in a text, then you can actually pull up your camera, touch the code, and you should get, oh no, I'm sorry. Now for my phone, because I'm a Google, I touch Lens, and now it's going to read this, and it'll come up with the code, and then I can touch it. If you have an iPhone, I'm sure it's something similar to that. There we go. And it goes to the website. So if you have a photograph of it, just go to your Lens option, or if you scan it the other way. All right, that's what I have for you. I hope it helps. I hope it's not too confusing. Thanks very much. All my best. All right, hello everybody. This is Jack Feldman's son, Jeff. And I did new business cards for Dad, and I thought I was being helpful by putting a QR code on the back of his business card. So there's his business card, which everybody recognizes is the same one he's always had. But then I have a QR code that comes up. So when I have the camera like this with a normal shot, then you get a pop-up if you just use the camera. So you're not taking a picture of this thing exactly. You're just scanning, pointing your camera at this code, and there will be a pop-up, a little link that'll come up, and you touch that with your thumb, and it should take you directly to the website. So I'm going to fix this video so I can show you guys how it's done. All right, and these are his other paintings that I was getting ready to post up there. So thank you.